Today's lecture is about crustaceans, and the specimen which is visible, it is called a shrimp or a prawn. British used to prefer prawn, while in America it is mostly called a shrimp. Both belong to same group. This lecture is for BS students specifically, BS Zoology. It is part of Zoology 101 and 102, both theory and practical. This specimen belongs to phylum Arthropoda. If you look at very carefully, you can find the legs are jointed. Look at here. You can find these are the joints in the legs, and this is the reason why this phylum is called Arthropoda. Arthro means joints and poda are feet or legs or appendages. Even antennae, these are the antennae. They are also jointed. Joints are also visible in antennae and antennules, also called first and second pair of antennae. Now, this specimen have been collected from a stream from Punjab, Pakistan. This belongs to subphylum Crustacea. The difference between insects and crustacean is in a number of antennae. There are only two antennae in insects, for example, in a cockroach and a grasshopper, while there are two pairs of antennae. You can look at here, these are first and second. These are two pairs of antennae in this specimen, which is a crustacean. Anyhow, subphylum Crustacea is characterized by presence of two pairs of antennae. Second, in insects, you know there are three parts which are also called tegma. They are head, thorax, and appendage. But in crustaceans, for example, in this shrimp, there are basic two parts which are called sphelothorax and abdomen. Sphelothorax is from here to here. This is the location of sphelothorax, while the posterior portion from here to onward, this is called abdomen. Technically, this process is tegmatization, and these two tegma are specifically present in these crustaceans. They are also present in chelicerates, which includes spiders and scorpions also. There are different orders in subphylum. The most important class in subphylum Crustacea is class Malacostraca, and this includes many orders. Most familiar organisms which belong to crustaceans, they are crabs, lobsters, crayfish, prawns, etc. All of them belong to the same class, Malacostraca. This is also a Malacostraca. Prawns and shrimps are mostly bottom dweller. They walk with the help of their legs. These are their legs, also called walking legs, and these are called swimmers, which help in swimming in water. Their body is specifically compressed. Eyes are visible. You can look at, because we are looking at specimen from the left side. This is the left eye, which is just located behind the rostrum. An important distinguishing character. This is visible only with the help of a lens or microscope. Their appendages are biramous. Try to look at here. At this point, which is being focused by a lens, you can find biramous nature These two rami are also called chela in some cases, and this appendage can also be used to hold the leg. It's also called chelate. I'm going to show it diagrammatically. Just look at here. You can look at in this diagram, this is chela, and this is actually a walking leg in which two portions, which are technically called exopodite and endopodite, they form a pincer-like structure. This structure is also visible in these other walking legs, and even the uropod, which is not visible as such here. This is uropod, and in this uropod you can also find biramous nature. A generalized diagram is being shown. Look at there are two parts of sphelothorax. In the first part you can find first antenna, second antenna, mandible, first maxilla, second maxilla. Up to here, these appendages are called head appendages. They are specifically maxilla and mandibles are related with feeding, while maxillipedes and preopods, they help in food handling and walking, and the last preopods, which are also called swimmers, help in swimming. And the last one, this is located at the tail end, which is called tarsal, and it's itself named as a uropod. This is very helpful in escape reaction. They can avoid predators with the jerk of this tail-like structure to avoid predators. You can look at in different specimens. This is a bit smaller specimen, it is a large specimen, and this specimen is somewhat intermediate between these two. You can find slight differences in colors. Color differences depends upon the habitat or locality from where the specimens have been collected. Now look at, this is eye. This is present on a stalk. If you look at very carefully here, you can find, look at here, these are different plates which have been combined to form sphelothorax, and this upper portion, this is called rostrum. Look very carefully, you can find different parts with the segmented portions here. This indicates they are also jointed appendages, and these are called head appendages. Now I'm going to describe the summary of whole lecture in Urdu for Pakistani and Indian students. हमारे यहाँ इसे आमतौर पर झींगा कहते हैं, जबकि इंग्लिश नेम श्रिम्प्स, प्रॉन्स वगैरह है। इसका फाइलम आर्थ्रोपोडा है। आर्थ्रोपोडा की पहचान इनकी टांगों में पाए जाने वाले जोड़ों से होती है। इसकी क्लास क्रस्टेशिया है। क्रस्टेशिया की पहली पहचान ये है कि इनमें एंटीना के दो जोड़े होते हैं, जो कि फर्स्ट और सेकंड पेयर ऑफ एंटीना कहलाते हैं, जबकि इंसेक्ट्स में एंटीना का सिर्फ एक जोड़ा होता है। इसकी दूसरी पहचान स्फेलोथोरैक्स और एब्डोमेन का मौजूद होना है। इंसेक्ट्स में बॉडी के तीन हिस्से होते हैं जिनको हेड, थोरैक्स और एब्डोमेन कहते हैं, जबकि इसमें यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक जो है ये स्फेलोथोरैक्स है और ये वाला पोर्शन है ये एब्डोमेन है। इसके ऊपर बहुत सी टांगे हैं। वो टांगे या अपेंडेजेस जो हेड रीजन में होते हैं वो फर्स्ट और सेकंड पेयर ऑफ एंटीनी, मैंडिबल, मैक्सिली और मैक्सिलिपीड्स कहलाते हैं। इनका ताल्लुक फीडिंग के साथ है। ये वाले अपेंडेजेस आप देख रहे हैं, इनका ताल्लुक चलने के साथ और फूड हैंडलिंग के साथ भी होता है। इसके अलावा मेल्स में स्पर्म ट्रांसफ़र में भी हेल्प करते हैं, जबकि एब्डोमेन के साथ अटैच छोटी छोटी ये वाली अपेंडेजेस तैरने में हेल्प करती हैं, जिनको स्विमर्स का नाम भी दिया जाता है। उम्मीद है कि आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।